For example, if you have it in a big lecture hall, the student who are sitting at the back, it's very difficult for you to ask him a questions. So that is actually the main reasons why we develop talk2me. Yeah? And again, when we develop talk2me, it is actually for the purpose of synchronous conversation and by using low bandwidth. Okay, so I'm going to straight to the website so that we can learn together. Yeah. For the preparation of this workshop, I would like you to have your PC in front of you as well. And then in the meantime, you can switch to the websites and also to these conversations. Yeah. So now I'm going to change my screen into a window screen, which you can see the websites. Yeah. Are you with me? Yes, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, Prof. Yes. Continue. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Are you be able to see the screen?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is actually a free tools for everyone to use. This is called talk2me.uitm.edu lah. Yeah. We are trying to promote students' voice is online in online learning. Our tagline is we can track progress and we can assess understanding. We are trying to minimize everything here. There is no registrations, and then there is no restriction to it. We believe in the concept of education shouldn't have any barriers. Yeah. So this is the interface of it. So I would like you to go to this website first. This is the websites. Are you in the website yet?
Yes, Prof.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So
Ja. Mana Nana? Mama tak ada earphone.
this is the websites. Okay. For this talk2me, yeah, when you go to the interface of this website, they will ask you choose a name for your space.
Oh.
Okay. A space here is actually referring to your personalized space for you and your student. Okay. For example, yeah, you want to create a space for your student. So you, for example, you choose your subject punya code. For example, this is just an example, yeah, for EDU 675, for example. Okay.
Just a
So
name.
choose a name for your space. It could be any names, but the name should be only in one word, cannot have space. Yeah. So when I type this code here, for example, I want this to be the space with me and my students, then I click create space. First thing first, the system will ask what is the name that you want to be appear in that space. For example, let me put my name Johan here. So the space will be like this. Okay, but for this purpose of training, yeah, I would like all of us to be in one space where we can try using it together. So I would like you to go back to our talk2me just now, this website, and I would like you to go to one space called COVID 2020. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, try to type COVID 2020 and then put it. Yes. Yes, COVID 2020. So when you want to start to converse with your students, you want to interact with them, these are the link that we should share with them. The talk2me.uitm.edu.my/COVID 2020. There is no registration needed.
Okay.
all the students need to do is they just put in the name they want it to be appear in the system. So can you see start texting there? Are you able to see the word start texting?
Yeah, start
Mine is
texting.
there, yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Is it? Oh.
Okay, I pose one question here. How is your work from home experience? So I hope please share one or two words, like what is your experience working from home? Okay, good for Dr. Mayu, going well for me. For Atira, it's a bit challenging, nice and new. You see, Atira mentioned challenging here. I can actually ask Atira here, what does she means by challenging? I can click this reply button here. Hi, Atira, what do you mean with the word challenging? Okay, it's actually.
So, where's the button, Prof?
Huh?
Where's the button?
Button, just press enter.
Oh, okay.
Just press enter.
Prof, may I know what's the username?
The username, I mean whatever name you want it to be appear. It's
Oh, okay. So
Any
just
name.
COVID 2020 and our own username, yes?
Yes, yes.
All right.
So because this system designed in such a way you don't need to register anything. Oh, it's chaotic, yeah? Is it? Okay, never mind. We learn from time to time. Okay, you see, the first function you have experience here where you can reply any message which is whatever the students have wrote to you lah. Okay. The second things I would like to highlight here is, can you see the color the next to this pen here? You can see pen. We have one color here which is green, yellow, and red. If you click green here, whatever things you post later will become green. For example, I am having fun. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So green here means if the students is okay. I am good with the lesson that you are trying to deliver, contohnya. Okay. If the students are angry to you, for example, contohnya lah ya, keep on asking but never been entertained, I can use the red color here. Example, I need help with this topic.
I can't hear you. Okay.
Sekejap ya.
Not angry then.
The red button means the students need attention.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, I need help with this topic. See, the students are actually telling us I need help with these topics. Yellow here means the students is actually able to do but is not confident with his or her work. Okay. So this talk to me developed with the concept of traffic lights, yeah? Which based on our concept is that the green color infers that a particular students is good, yeah, is be able to complete the task. Yellow means the student is able to do but is not confident, while red means students need help. Okay,
Okay.
so now you know that there are 3 buttons here. So for
Mhm.
example, if you have class, then if the students need help, please click the red buttons if you really need attention.
Attention.
Yes.
Hmm.
Of course, when we deliver our lessons, yeah, sometimes you need pictures, right? You need pictures to show them. For example, let's assume that our topic today is COVID-19, yeah? Okay. Let me, for example, I'm the facilitator. I'm trying to now show what is the image of a COVID-19 virus. So, okay, MSJ, you need to click this one. It's 3 colors here. Okay, for example, I go to Google, yeah. Okay, just watch first what I do. Okay, I go to Google Image. Sorry, are you with me?
Yeah, yeah, Prof.
Okay,
Yes.
I go to Google Image. I look for COVID. Just watch first. COVID-19. Okay, can you see this picture?
Yeah.
Okay, for example,
Certainly.
I pick this picture, yeah, this picture like this, to show
Randomly
them
just.
random pictures like this. You see what I do? Once this picture appear here, I right click at the picture. I click copy image address. Okay. Then I go back to our talk to me. Can you see this button here? Got one add image link here.
Yeah.
I click this one. I just paste the link here and then I click send. You can see the picture up here.
Hmm.
Okay. And if you click the picture, it will open in another window, and it is still belong to it's still, the link is still belong to the original content provider. So we are trying to minimize the impact of copyright here.
Exactly.
Can you try post some pictures? I would like to see you to do that, to use that function.
Okay.
Yes, Ernie posted one. Oh, this one undefined. This one perhaps, yeah. Okay.
Sorry,
If
Prof. Which one we choose? Image. Save image, copy image.
you go to the image first, and then
Right click.
you right click, copy image address.
Oh, okay.
Copy image address,
Then add image.
and then pause it
We
again.
paste.
Not here.
Then send it. Oh, okay. Got it.
Okay, so this is actually what you can do, and you actually save the time for you to download the picture. And when the students view it, they doesn't have to like, use their data to download the image lah. They just use minimize data in order for them to view the image. And we check with some of the info from the website. As long as you use the image, you're referring to the original link like this, yeah. You are not downloading the image. You just take it from the original link and you view it from the original link. It doesn't actually breach any copyright. Okay. So now you have pictures. So these pictures you can use. Oh, okay, this is an interesting picture. Which one is how to work from home? I can open this one.
So then put this out with copy address. Okay. Copy address. See this one.
Okay, this one came. Where is the? This is. I'm gonna get this.
Back to the
Okay, this one got picture. Okay. This is okay. I think for SK here, you need to copy the pictures here. You need to click the pictures, right click, copy image address, and then you use this one. Okay. Is there any way to make the chat box bigger? Chat box bigger means so far we have set this chat box as it is lah, ya. We will take this into consideration lah, ya. Okay. This is actually accessible through mobile. Okay, Hairi, this is not the place where you put this link. You need to use the add image icon here. For example, I copy this image here. I click add image links. See, this one will appear. Okay. Okay. This is actually we have learned about how to post text, how to put the text in color in case the students really need attention. Now, let me show to you how to put video. Yeah? Video. Can we proceed with the video?
Yes, bro.
Okay. For example, when you open YouTube, yeah. Okay. And for example, you're looking for COVID-19. That's because our topic today is COVID-19. Yeah? Okay. For example, I would like to share this video with my students. Okay. For example, scientists begin testing COVID-19 vaccines. I click this video. Don't choose this link up here. I would like you to choose click share here. After that, click share here. You copy this link here.
Okay.
And then you click add video link. And you paste it here.
Oh.
Be able to see the video appear and the students can view it.
Okay, let me try. Video collection.
Makcik Bawang nak share je. Bawang-bawang semua senang korang membawa dengan lebih lanjut.
Oh, I need to select which video.
Prof, we need to click for the YouTube video.
You need to go to YouTube first.
Yes.
Look for the video that you want to share, and then go down there. You can see the word share there.
Okay.
Share. Don't choose this one because we are working on a smaller punya link. Okay, tak? So you go down here, you click copy this link, and then you go back to talk to me and you click add image thing here. No, add video thing.
Prof, can you see my post?
Which post? Okay, let me see.
Nazlin, right?
Hazlin.
Yes, because I cannot download anything.
Which?
I cannot see any post from my site.
Okay. Can you see me? I mean my screen.
Yes, I can see you,
Okay,
but I cannot see my post.
You need to go to. Are you in this place?
Yes, Nazlin.
Let me see. NAZ.
I just upload the a video.
Is it appear?
Yeah, no.
Can you type hi there?
Sorry?
Can you type hello?
Okay, wait.
If it's not appear means you are in a different space.
Okay, I can see everyone here, Dr. Nazira, Evelyn, everyone here, but I cannot see my post.
Oh, this one, hello.
Yes.
Hi.
I can see now.
That
Hello.
happened to me just now. The COVID group must use COVID small c. There's another room with big.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think maybe you need to change room. Thanks.
Because this one is a case sensitive, ya. If you put C is in uppercase word, ya, dia akan jadi different space.
Okay. Sebab I punya dia keep message sending, please wait. That's all.
Oh, can you please?
Maybe your internet something.
I think so.
Bisa internet kot.
Maybe internet something.
The good thing about this again, yeah. Can you try again, Hazlin?
Okay. Just.
Okay.
Doctor, can student access talk2me through phone tak, Doctor?
Can.
Data.
You can try if you have your handphone now. You just type in your browser talk2me.uitm. You can see everything that we have here.
I'm using my phone. I'm using my phone now.
Yes. So if you type talk2me and then /COVID, you can see whatever things we have. You can see here.
Oh.
And don't be surprised, students juga menggunakan talk2me to converse among them. Because we don't limit it to only lecturers who can do this. Yeah? You see, another features with these tools is that after add image link here, after add video here, you can see that. Can you see export chat here?
Export chat, yes.
If you click that one, it will export every conversation that we have. And this could be an evidence that you can use, that it's as a proof that you have done.
Sorry, Prof. Come again.
Export chat here.
Export chat in there. Can you see any questions? So export chat.
If you click export chat, you'll be able to get the transcript of it, transcript of all of the conversation that we have.
Oh yeah. I can see transcript. Chat transcript.
Yes.
So we can print.
Can. You can
as our evidence, isn't it?
Yes. And
can we save it anywhere?
Can we save it? Yeah.
you can save it, but you can save it as HTML.
By how to save it? Right click, is it? Save as lah, yeah.
Save as.
Save as.
Save as, and then you can, it will appear as
Talk to me. Tapi, but save
HTML.
as type HTML.
HTML. It's a website punya ni lah. Webpage.
Yeah.
Kita save as web page ya, Doktor?
Huh? You can save it as HTML. So in case the faculty atau siapa nak, you can actually and this is
copy and paste dekat ni lah.
boleh juga.
But the page.
Yes. The good thing about this, kalau you share with your students this link, the video tadi can run under this HTML. I sent video, but it is there but cannot play. Okay, this one is just as here. Okay, perhaps this is too small. One way you can, I show it again. If you wanted to share videos like this, you can go to YouTube, and then, for example, you are looking for COVID-19. Let me show with you this video.
Well, fresh hope in the fight against COVID-19 this morning with a stroke.
Okay, you go to share here. You copy this link here and then click add video link, and then you can put it here. So the video will appear in a full form lah. Yeah. Okay. Another things here I would like to share with you is active users on talk2me. Are you with me? Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Active users on talk2me. This is actually, members of ataupun users that is currently using talk2me. Not only your space. This is across all space. And for example, if you happen to know someone, from this group, and you want to communicate with them personally, you just click the name. For example, I would like to talk to Dr. Mayu here. So I click Mayu here, then I can communicate with her. Hello, like this. This is for personal punya communication lah. Yeah. That's why when you use these tools to your students, make sure you ask them to use their real name. So see, Dr. Mayu have respond to me, hello back. So this is for personal communication. For example, you want him to, oh, it's been so long you did not reply to our group. You can communicate with him here. Okay. So another question I am in playing. Okay, are you okay? Hello?
Sorry, Prof. This was, just now I got hanged.
Okay.
So could you please repeat the last one on the
which part?
chat?
Okay, just now the last conversation that we had, do you follow when I explained about the export chat? Admin can. If you want to delete your post, we can delete the post, but only admin yang can delete the post. Perhaps our friend just now want me to repeat the transcript. The chat transcript is actually an evidence, yeah, for JSS just now. If you wanted to have a proof, for example, if the faculty needs you to show evidence that you have conduct e-learning, you can export your chat. When you click export chat, whatever things we have here will be appear in HTML, and you can save it or you can print it. Okay. For GK question, if we have a few subjects, can we create talk to me for every course? Yes, you can. You can create as many as space you want. And in fact, if you are a heavy user of talk to me, we will appoint you as if you wanted to request as an admin page, we can give you that, where you can have everything. You can delete your chat, you can delete students, you can delete whatever post that the students have done. You can request that to us. For example, you wanted to be an admin, yeah? Okay. Again, yeah, we have covered how to post video, how to post image, text, okay? And if you want to plan a lesson, if you plan to deliver a lessons, for example, if the video is not on YouTube, can you share and upload it here directly? Cannot, yeah? For MSJ, you cannot upload. There is no function of uploading in talk2me because we are running on minimal bandwidth. Yeah? Meaning to say, if the students using this, they just need a minimal punya internet connection, just like WhatsApp. Okay, but WhatsApp you still need to download if you wanted to view the document. Okay, talking about document here, yeah? For example, I have uploaded a document in Google Drive, contohnya, yeah? So I share the link from my Google Drive here, so the students can view it. Yeah? So in this talk to me, we played with links. Okay, we play with links, so the students can you can plan your lessons and put it in the form of links. For example, this is a Google Drive. When the students click, it will bring them to the Google Drive.
Welcome to our first seminar on coronavirus. My name is Dr. Anna.
Are you with me? Yes? No? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, Prof.
Okay.
We're still here.
Okay. Another things you can do with this talk to me is that when you have content, yeah, when you have like content like you have it somewhere else. Contohnya, let me show you, like there's one prezi about coronavirus. I share it with you here. So you can click this link to Prezi. So you'll be able, the link will bring you to that websites which you can view it. And then you can present it here. So we are trying to minimize whatever storage consumption, whatever things need that you want to share. It's advisable for you to upload it somewhere else first, then only put the link here. So this is the talk to me. Okay, then this is okay. Okay. Hello, are you with me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Okay, just to check on you ya. Okay, we have learned all the things that yang kita dah belajar tadi. I have one question for you, all of you ya. Can you answer this question? It is good to post some riddles sometimes so that you know the students are there.
Oh. Where are you, Prof?
Siapa yang dapat betul ni, I will give one hadiah. This is.
Wah.
I will post right to your home. Azlina, have it right. Future.
What is this? I
This
can't
is the
see you.
Huh?
I cannot see you, Prof.
Okay.
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 This is the present.
Oh.
This is the. So Azlina, please drop me your address so I can send it to you. This is like a QR box.
Oh.
VR box. So,
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations.
I have 3 sebenarnya. Azlina is the first one. I have the next question. The next question, yeah. Are you ready?
Yes, Prof.
Azlina, please send me. Let me see. I miss Azlina just now. Azlina. Okay. Azlina, this is Azlina. Please. Perhaps I need to share my window first. Okay. Okay. Can you see my screen now? Okay. Azlina.
Yes. Now,
Azlina,
yeah, clear.
Where's Azlina? Azlina. Okay, please give me your address. Now dia dah PMI ya, so you are using this. Please give me your address. Okay, the second question is that ada 3 hadiah ya. What I'm typing it now. The question is the biggest in the world. Okay, now I'm typing the word here. Who answer first will get the present. Chat room. Chat room is not the answer.
Oh, the internet very slow.
No problem.
Very challenging, Prof.
Ada yang kata the sun is not the correct answer. Chat room is not the correct answer. The universe is not. Yes, Atira get it right. The biggest room in the world
I miss again.
is the room for improvement. Okay.
The biggest room.
Okay, Atira, please give me your address. Okay, the last question. Okay, the last questions which I would like you to answer is that this one. I am tall when I am young, and I am short when I am old. What am I? Teka-teki. So this is actually how you can engage the students lah, ya. Oh, lah. Ada dua pemenang lah, SK dan Ernie pula. Okay, so SK and Ernie, please give me your address. Ernie, I can give it anytime lah. SK, please give me your address. Okay. Ernie, please give me your address. Okay. So basically, these tools is actually not that complicated. Okay. These tools is we are trying to minimize everything from registrations and from copyright issue. So if you actually having a class, I'm not talking about this NGO, perhaps in the near future, perhaps after this COVID-19 ended, and you are going to deliver a lesson in a big lecture hall. Katakan you have 300 students, and you can use these tools, talk2me, in your class. As simple as that. As I mentioned in the beginning today, you just type talk2me.uitm.edu.my. You create your space, then you share that link to your students. Link ni yang kita akan share dengan students. This link. So as easy as that, and then once they get the link, you can start converse with them online. And then when you delivering the lecture, perhaps some of the point mungkin tak sampai kepada pelajar who sit at the back, ataupun some of them might get the concept but have misconception about it. Tell them that you can always use the red button. The red button will help the lecturers to acknowledge that, oh, I need to explain more about this because one of my students mungkin tak faham lagi tentang this part. Okay. So if you wanted to know the understanding, okay, katalah, please give me the green button if you understand. So ask them to post in the green button. Okay. Kalau yang yellow ni, yellow indicates that the students are okay, but is not confident with his or her work. So if they post more yellow means they still need guidance lah. Perhaps what you can do, you can repeat again the lessons, or you can actually ask them which part actually they are referring to. SK have one question here. When I save the chat transcript as HTML only the title chat transcript was saved. When I save the full page, all the chat appear. But it took a long time to save this chat. Is it correct? Betul. Because if you have mix of content inside, contohnya you have video and image, the image is also saved as part of it. So usually some image have, the stock quite need, what do you call it? the storage for image. So that's why it takes a long time to save. What you can do is you just select all, paste it in a Microsoft Word, and then save it. That is the easiest way what I do. Hanafi asks, how long the created space remain in the site? As long as UiTM is here. Okay, we will save it in our server. If you are requested it to be deleted, you can tell us. Or if you wanted to be an admin, you can tell us. We will assign you as admin, and you can use it and you can manage your sites. James asks, can you repeat on how to export chat? Export chat is just by clicking this button, export chat. Okay. You click this, and then all of our transcript will appear like this. Okay, what you can do, you can select all, copy, or you can save it. Of course, since we have videos, saving it might take time. Okay, cannot hear. Oh, GK cannot hear, yeah? Okay, perhaps you need to turn on your microphones. Yeah. Okay, can we have multiple classes going on at the same time? Yes, you can. You can create as many as space you want. Perhaps not only for lesson for delivering lessons lah. If you need some discussion with other friends also, you can use this talk to me. And in fact, some students use this to converse amongst them, yeah, because sometimes it is very difficult to get numbers from someone else, yeah. So they just like create one talk to me space, and then they start conversing there. Okay, I think I hope lah, yeah. I think that is all from me. I hope you can use it in your class. And
Yeah,
then,
thank you, Prof. Very useful.
again?
Very useful.
Okay,
I
thank
had
you very
good
much.
experience.
Because if you use this, we are trying to minimize the copyright issue because you are using the same line. And then the YouTube also no issue because you're still playing it under YouTube punya platform. Okay, Shiha said, can we do oral assessment here? So far we can't because it's all on, I mean, we are trying to minimize the storage of it. You can do, but you need to record your voice somewhere else, and then you post the link here. When the student click the link, they can listen to the audio, and you ask them to record somewhere else and upload the audio here.
It takes time, is it?
Yes, because it is not like a WhatsApp lah, where you can record the audio, kan?
Maybe
Okay.
need add some more features.
Sure. We can work on it.
Okay, thank you, Prof.
Okay, I think that's all.
This has been very useful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry to
Thank you so much.
interrupt. All right, thank you very much for attending our workshop. Thank you, Dr. Johan.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you, Prof. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Prof.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Okay.